Okay, it's Tuesday, April 12th. I'm buying some Netflix puts, the 350 puts at 617. And you can see here, this is a day that on the 15-minute chart looks to be a failure on the upside, moving down. And if we look at the daily chart, first of all, well, let me go to this chart here. This is the 15-minute chart, which started up today a little bit and failed, came down below the intraday lows. We're coming to the yesterday's close and kind of pausing, and I'm buying the puts kind of when price is right here. And I'm anticipating it heading lower. What we have is a failed 2-day developing, where on the daily chart we try to break above the high. So it's a failed 2 up. We come to the midpoint of the prior day. So I'm looking to take out the lows of yesterday, which is 345.20. So that's a target. That's another 3 points lower. We have a 2-down week developing here, and that kind of targets down here to the 329 area as we're continuing lower. The monthly chart is also red and heading lower here, and this is kind of an outside month. It's close. It just barely missed the upside, but the low on the month is all the way down to 329. So that's kind of where price try to rally. It's just been sitting here inside this big month, but on the yearly chart, there's actually targets down below as well. After that big drop in Netflix, it really hasn't rallied much up above 400, and the trend seems to be unfolding back to the downside on the weekly chart here with a continuation. We tried to rally a little bit Monday and Tuesday, but couldn't do it, and now the weekly chart's turning red. And again, the big thing here is we're failing on this daily chart to rally up. You can see we went down for 4 or 5 days, couldn't make it, so I'm anticipating the lows of at least that 345 to be taken out today, and then we'll see if we start working down towards these lows down here. So we will watch it again. I like the pattern here where we've kind of broke the lows, rallied, and then we're holding in here and just pausing as we continue lower. So there's no real buy. The buying failed on the upside, so I'm looking forward to at least take out these intraday lows down here, which kind of equates to yesterday's lows, and that should be what, at least, even if we're going to head up, I think we're going to take out those stops first on the downside, but the odds are we should be heading even lower than that. So we'll see what happens, and in Netflix puts.